All right. Well, welcome to the Long Take, Secretary Rex Gatchalian. Thank you so much for giving us your time.
Ses, thank you for having me. Good to see you after a long, long time.
No holds barred to, ah.
Yeah,
You
go ahead.
agreed.
Yeah.
Okay. Parang nabudol ata kayo sa kay Rose. Because, well, inulan kayo ng batikos and she doesn't seem to be what she said she was. Is that correct? Na drug addict siya, na hindi niya kinuha yung, well, there's that version. Hindi niya kinuha yung kanyang cutter doon. It's actually a drug and sex din, supposedly, that in Burnal.
Loaded yung question mo. Can I cut it up into 3?
Okay.
First of all, hindi kami nabudol.
Ano, sige.
Lahat ng kaso na similar kay Rose. Kasi we have this running program called Pag-abot Program.
Yes.
Since 2023,
iba
it's
pa
been
yun sa
running.
AKAP.
Iba pa yan.
Oh, sige.
Pag-abot since 2023, when I joined the department, ang instruction ng presidente, walang pamilyang Pilipino dapat nakatira sa lansangan. So we created...
Talagang priority ni Pangulo yun?
Yes, to expand social protection, lalong-lalo na sa mga walang-wala talaga. So, ako as a mayor, it's a function of the local government unit. Pero, alam natin na sobrang dami na ginagawa ng local government unit. So, national government partner with the local government units. So, ano itong pag-abot? We have 100 plus social workers, 24/7, going around Metro Manila, reaching out to families or individuals in street situation. So, no matter who you are, basta nakatira ka sa kalsada, sa lansangan, sa skyway, sa flyover, lalapitan ka namin, kukumbinsin ka namin sumama sa amin.
Okay.
So, yun yung una. Hindi kami nabudol because lahat to dumadaan sa assessment ng social worker. Okay. Hindi naman yung 80,000, hindi nang galing yan sa hangin. Says, since 2023, you can fact-check me on this, nakapublish yung mga memo circular namin kung ano yung range ng tulong na pwede ibigay. 80,000 is the maximum. Bakit 80,000? Lahat yan dumadaan sa case management ng social worker. The social worker assessed that 80,000 is the right amount for Rose. And kung isipin mo, Ses, the 80,000 is not merely 80,000 in material
Cash.
assistance.
People think kasi pera, inabutan nyo. Meron.
Inabutan, pero it's done in tranches.
Yung 80,000 pera yon, cash?
Pera yon, pero sasamahan ka ng aming social worker. Like in Rose's case, it's for a sari-sari store. Sinamahan siya bumili.
Okay.
And then it's given in tranches. Hindi one time, big time yon.
Akala ko 80,000 in goods.
No.
Pera talaga.
Pera, pero sasamahan ka namin na make sure na doon mapunta. And
lahat ng pang-abot ganon.
lahat ng pang-abot ganon. And
Okay.
says, Rose is one of 5,000 na natulungan na nitong programa since day one. Meron kami mga AITA na pumupunta sa streets pag Pasko. We bought them Carabaos kasi yun naman ang kailangan nila.
Tapos di na sila bumabalik.
Hindi na sila bumabalik.
Oh.
So ang pag-abot program kasi is not just kunin ka, temporary shelter, tapos ibalik ka kasi pabalik ka rin sa lansangan. Yung kay Rose, sustaining. Paano ka ba namin matutulungan makapagsimula muli? And isipin mo, DSWD is not just in the line of giving you cash. This is a holistic program to give you back hope, self-worth, self-respect, dignity.
Okay.
Yung kay Rose, alam namin that she was, okay, first may
She was a user.
client confidentiality.
Okay.
We cannot go into details, but ang kaya ko lang sabihin sa'yo, Ses, alam namin that meron siyang substance abuse
Okay.
habits. Alam niya ng social worker, and part of the conditionality, kasi itong 80,000, may conditionality siya.
Di na siya gagamit. Iwasan
Dapat
niya.
magkaroon ng active steps towards rehabilitating. Kasi nga, Ses, pag nakatira ka sa lansangan na matagal, your self-worth, your self-respect,
I
your
can
hope just
imagine.
disappears. So sana tignan natin to sa ganitong konteksto. Tulong pinansyal, pero hindi lamang para makapagsimula ng tindahan, kundi maibalik natin yung kanyang dignidad, respeto sa sarili. Isa siya sa 5,000 na natulungan na natin. So, I think yung loaded question na nabudol, it's not what she seems it is, at hindi cutter yung kinuha niya, lahat yun na-dispel na namin.
Okay.
Na hindi kami nabudol, alam namin yung storya, may guidelines na sinusunod, hindi lang to para kay Rose, kundi para sa lahat to ng kliyente ng pag-abot program. At higit sa lahat, nagva-validate rin naman kami. Nag-a-assess rin kami. Talagang cutter lang yung kinuha niya, hindi yun sex den, hindi yun
Hindi
drug
talaga.
den. Hindi, kasi napakababang drainage yun para tirahan. But she did bring us to another drainage system na may mga nakatirang
Na
iba.
pwedeng sex din.
Hindi
At
naman
drug
sex den, but doon nakatira yung mga iba. Pero nung pumunta kami, wala sila doon.
So, kasi ang batikos is parang you jumped on her virality. But I won't begrudge you that. Kasi, syempre, you're the secretary of DSWD. Why not? Diba? Why
Sa sulitin ko I didn't jump at the virality of Rose.
Okay.
Nagkataon lang, okay, Rose did not come to us. Hindi ito yung iniisip ng mga tao na pasok. Di ba may ang dami ng meme?
Hindi, hinanap nyo siya, syempre.
Ang daming meme na pumunta ka lang daw ng Imburnal, magkaka-80,000 ka. Hindi ganun yun.
Alam mo naman ang humor ng okay.
In her defense, Rose did not approach us.
You look for her.
No, she just wanted to get her cutter and live a quiet life. She does not want the attention. Natandaan nyo, sinabi
But she's an
niya.
ambassador, ano?
Natandaan nyo,
Okay.
nung kinuha niya yung cutter, paglabas niya, nagulat siya, nagtatatakbo siya, it took us one whole day to look for her. Hindi ito yung nakita niya, may oportunidad, lumapit siya.
naman.
Nagtago siya sa amin.
No, we're not saying that.
Hindi, pero yun nga, na viral ito.
You jumped.
Nagkataon lang
Hindi,
talaga.
kasi kumain kayo, diba?
Because that is the shelter. Okay, so why did I go see her? Because nga, and I do this to a lot of our clients.
Hindi lang kami interesado.
Hindi lang as a feature, but you
Hindi
can
lang
fact
sila
check
naging
me.
viral.
Merong social media page ang pag-abot ng DSWD. Pinuntahan ko rin yung mga AITA na binigyan namin ng kalabaw. Kasi I wanted to understand, ba't kalabaw ba ang hinihingi niyo? In all these cases, Cesar na social
Mahal ang
worker.
kalabaw,
110,000.
O di higit na yun sa pang-abot.
Pero yun, group sila.
Ah,
It's a group investment. We organize them into a group.
okay.
Hindi naman sila isang kalabaw. Masyadong mataas naman yun. Pero yung lupa kasi nila is communal in nature. So I went to that community in Capas, personally. Kasi sabi ko nga, I may not be a social worker, but I served as a mayor, and part ng training ko sa mayor is to build things, development.
Okay.
I fall siguro in the development side of the department. And to develop things and to develop programs, you have to learn how to listen.
Well, as a mayor, you really, you perform very well.
I'd like to think so.
Yes. People I know outside government have praised you for, what you achieved as mayor. But it's different running a bureaucracy like the DSWD. So, have you done a review of the 4 Ps?
Yes.
Okay. And what's your assessment?
For-
Kasi people will say ayuda to, sinisisi nila yung minsan yung mga tao ayaw na magtrabaho dahil sa 4 Ps, but to really cut the intergenerational poverty that exists in the country, you need interventions like this. Would you agree?
Says, again, loaded question na naman yan.
Bakit loaded?
2 parts naman yung sagot ko.
Sige.
Actually, I'd like to think that one of the things that probably made me get the job is my stint as mayor. Because it's running a bureaucracy.
Yeah, but Valenzuela compared to
Yeah,
the Philippines.
tama ka doon, pero there's a running template in running a bureaucracy. You probably need a manager or an administrator to run bureaucracies. So may similarity naman. Mas malaki lang nga to. Now, yung 4 Ps, again, I
So
stand by it.
na-challenge.
Yeah, we've looked at it. What have we done so far? Number 1, when I got there, si Sec Erwin started and moved to purge the list. Kasi nga, baka nga patong-patong yung mga pangalan. So I continued that. We painstakingly did case management. Kasi sa social workers, their main tool of the trade is case management. Understand the person and what needs
Mahirap
to be
maging
done.
social worker.
So, our social workers really went to every single 4.4 million families.
No.
Yes. To make sure that they still should be part of the program.
Okay.
So
May
that
mga
was,
nag-graduate na di ba?
may mga in-exit. So, inalis na natin yung mga hindi na dapat. Tinuloy ko yung
Kumbaga,
drive.
when you say hindi na dapat, umasenso na
Umasenso na sila.
Ilan
Okay.
yun? Ilang porsyento?
Since I joined the department, 700,000 plus and still growing. Kasi the case management will show you the different life economic stages. The lowest being survival, isang kahid, isang tuka. The second one is subsistence, yung sapat lang. Yung pangatlo is what they call self-sufficient already. Yun yung mga pang-graduate. So what have we done so far? Clean the list. 2, reinstate an exit mechanism. Says, since day 1, walang exit
Oo
mechanism.
nga. Ikaw lang ang nagawa nun?
Well, our social workers and the President's instruction is to make sure na yung dapat mag-exit na to make way for new people who might need to be part of the program.
Okay.
So nag-exit kami using case management. Ngayon lang yan nangyari in this administration. Noon, may entry, kaya nga ang tagal na minsan nila sa programa. Pero ngayon, nag-exit na tayo. Ses, yung mga
Sana
batikos.
malaman niya ng publiko.
Ses, lagi kami paulit-ulit, pero mas gusto natin pag-usapan kasi minsan yung mga mas
Oo nga.
sensationalized things.
Okay.
Diba? Now, pangalawa, ano pag ginawa natin? We're Alam mo, yung 4Ps hindi ayuda, may kondisyon yan.
Yeah.
They have to keep staying in school, their kids, and they have to do the early health intervention. Pero yung sisabing nagiging tamad sila, Ses, bigyan lang kita ng konteksto.
Alam mo,
Ang maximum amount na natatanggap ng isang pamilya, 3,500. Hindi ka naman mabubuhay sa 3,500.
It's a cabinet secretary that told me that.
Well, I think there's just so much misunderstanding about 4Ps. May success stories ang 4Ps. Bukod sa 700,000 na lumikas na sa programa, meron din tayong mga bar top-notchers. In fact, close to 1 million of the families have already produced a college grad in their family.
No, don't get me wrong. I believe in 4Ps. You need this intervention to get people out, yung parang wala ng pag-asa na kumbaga mula lolo hanggang apo.
Ang importante
hindi na nakaalis
siguro,
sa cycle, di ba?
Ang importante kasi siguro doon, what we can highlight
Is politicize it.
It's not politicized because it's based on listahanan. Urban legend yung mga pinapasok yung pangalan because ang may control are the social workers. It goes through a targeting
Walang
system.
local government.
None.
Walang kinalaman na inalis na yon when?
Actually, since day one, wala siya.
Talaga ba?
Misconception yan. So akin, says, you can fact check me on this and you can ask everybody. It's drawn from a list called Listahanan. Listahanan is a national survey run by DSWD and that's where we get the beneficiaries. This year, because of the new law, wala nang listahanan. They'll use the new tool called CBMS, Community-Based Monitoring System. PSA will run it naman, hindi na kami.
So, is that better?
I think it's better because it's CBMS. It's an international tool that you really use to capture the income and all the life stages of that family. It's survey-based, run by PSA, community-based monitoring system. It gives you all the dimensions, hunger, how much you make, how many kids do you have, are they in school, health. It's a very good tool that PSA will give us the results so that we can choose the poor from the list.
This is one program that has cut across administrations, no? Kahit
Correct.
papano, hindi siya natigil, which is good.
Yeah. But syempre, pag tumatagal na yung programa, dapat may enhancements rin.
Na maganda yung ginawa mong nag-graduate. So, yung may exit program. Okay, but let's go now to the incidence of poverty in our country. And I know that ayaw mo nung self-rated. I mean,
Hindi sa ayaw ko.
Okay. Paki-explain.
Okay.
Ang difference nung PSA survey sa self-rated na ginagawa ng SWS, although recently, well, magandang figures pabor sa'yo.
Lalong-lalo sa hunger.
Oo. Pero still bad in Mindanao and the Visayas. But let's go to why you find the PSA more credible?
No.
Okay.
I might have been parang mali yung intindi. We use both.
Okay.
We will never dispute data.
Okay.
Data is king in DSWD.
Okay.
There are two kings in DSWD.
Okay. You
Data,
and data.
no? Data
And?
and the social worker.
Ah.
You mix them together, you get the perfect targeting tool and the perfect intervention. Dalawa lang ang hari sa DSWD. So, sabay mo yan titignan. Siyempre, pag kami sa government, our targets, kasi galing yan sa data, nandun nakalagay, ilan ba dapat lang ang mahirap na pamilya na kinikater namin. Pero siyempre, experiential, hindi mo pwede i-dispute yun. Kung yun ang nararamdaman ng taong bayan,
Oo nga.
wag mo labanan yun. So, anong ginagawa natin? We are now introducing, alam natin, Ses, na ang kahirapan hindi kaya tapusin ng isang gabi.
Yeah.
Ang kagutuman lalo na. Pero may mga interventions tayo. For instance, di ba na-report last 2
Pero
weeks,
sige, before you continue, yung PSA kasi, yung survey niya, how
Income.
often ba?
every 2 years, the family and
my
income
gosh.
survey.
Di
But because of the CBMS, it's going to be done every year already.
So,
So,
that's an improvement.
I think,
SWS is every quarter.
correct. So that's why you have to marry both,
Okay.
in my opinion,
Okay.
to make sure. Says, when I say marry both, ano yung paano ko sila pinakasal? Data is PSA. The experiential is our social worker. Kasi lahat ng programa namin, mula sa ayuda, sa AIC, sa AKAP, assistance to individuals in crisis situation, tulong sa kapos ang kinikita, AKAP program, lahat yan may case management. Experience is about case management. Our social worker will go to you interview you, assess you, alamin kung anong kailangan mo, and ano yung problema ng pamilya mo o ng individual. That's why I say nga, there are two kings in DSWD. And you try to marry both to get the perfect intervention and to get everything in order. So, going back, we will never dispute that. In fact, din sa hunger nga, di ba? Globe wanted to do work with us. Sabi namin, wag na nyo mag-donate. Why don't you commission SWS to track down our program?
Okay.
Para alam namin kung yung intervention gumagana o hindi.
Because you want the data. You need
And so
the
that
data.
we know.
And mahal yun, ano?
Oo, mahal yun. At saka para says, I cannot be assessing my own program.
Yeah.
So
Parang
that
may
may
third
monitor.
party.
Yes.
Parang ino-audit mo yung
Yes.
sarili mo. You know, I think what you bring to the department is your track record as a local government official. Maganda yung track record mo. Kaya, wala ka naman masyadong batikos kundi kay Rose yata, no?
Ako ulitin ko. Yung kay Rose, opinion ng mga tao re-respetuhin ko.
Okay.
Pero ang maganda doon, napag-uusapan ko si Pag-abot program.
Yun na nga.
Si Pag-abot program has been in existence since 2023. Walang pumapansin. Ngayon, gusto ko malaman ng taong bayan na 10,000 ang aming naitalang nakatirang pamilya sa lansangan at 5,000 na ang natulungan natin.
Pero hindi ako makapaniwalang 10,000 lang ang nakatira sa Linsangan.
Sa Metro Manila.
Oo nga.
That's our actual.
That's
actual.
well, I guess sa Lansangan, pero maraming urban poor na nakatira
iba
sa...
naman yun.
Oo, iba yun.
Says,
Iba yun. Hindi sa Lansangan, pero near Lansangan
correct.
levels.
And that's why may iba-iba kaming programa para sa kanila. Meron tayong AKAP, yung assistance para sa mga kapos ang kita. Diba? Doon naman, pag below minimum wage ka,
Pero wala ka sa 4-piece.
wala ka sa 4-piece,
okay.
pwede ka namin tulungan.
Oo.
Lalo-lalo pag may krisis kang pinagdaraanan. So, maraming klaseng programa sa departamento na angkop para sa iba't ibang segment. Kasi may near poor, like you said, may poor,
Oo.
merong food poor.
Okay.
Kasi minsan tayo, pag sinabi natin mahirap, isa lang akala natin ang mukha nila eh. Ang kahirapan, iba-iba rin ang mukha. Merong sobrang hirap, yung mga food poor natin. Meron yung matatawag mo talagang families in street situation na tahanan na wala na talaga. Meron tayo near poor, yung kumikita siya,
Pero,
hindi lang sapat yung kinikita niya.
Oo.
Merong yung mga individual rin na kumikita, wala sa poverty line, pero namatayan ng breadwinner, bagsak agad sa kahirapan. So, that's why nga sabi ko, you marry data with the social workers interview, which is experiential, then you mesh them together.
When you got to the DSWD, were the social workers capable? Or did you have to hire more? Ano bang ginawa
Actually,
mong
says,
mga...
ang sad doon, magagaling yung mga social workers ng DSWD.
That's
marami kami.
how I understand.
Marami kami.
Pero,
Pero,
ano ang
up to
sad?
now, kulang pa rin sila, hindi sila na-regularize. Kasi nga, because of tight fiscal space,
So, endo pala sila, ganun.
nire-renew sila all the time. But may drive kami, and nautos na nito ng Pangulo sa akin so many times, pati sa Department of Budget and Management, we have to start creating plantilla positions for them para may job security sila. Kasi sayang yung institutional knowledge
Yeah. No, and the training, di ba?
and the passion.
Oo, the passion.
Tried and tested na
Magkano
tong
ba
mga-
ang tinatanggap ng isang social
Iba-iba
worker?
kasi may iba-ibang levels sila.
Okay.
So,
Yung
and
entry level.
that slips my
My
mind right
God,
now.
baka naman poverty level.
Hindi naman. But ang mas nakakatakot kasi doon yung walang benefits yung iba. So that's why we've been initiating reforms like extending hazard pay to them. Kasi their jobs are hazardous.
Yeah.
Extending different types of monetary but extending the benefits and the protection to them. Pero ako, ang mandato ko nga, I won't stop lobbying, asking our legislators to give us more plantilla positions. Nagkaroon na rin naman, pero more pa sana to protect our social workers and to keep them with the department.
Okay. An issue also is marami of these programs are not really supported by budget, by a true budget. Ano ba to? Excess lang ba to ng...
No naman,
ng
says again, that's
or
another...
confidential funds
no,
ba
no.
yan?
Medyo baka mali lang yung dating, but
Oo.
all these programs are backed up by a line item in the General Appropriations Act. So doon kami happy. Like yung pag-abot, bagong line item yan noong 2024. Kasi nga nakita natin yung success niya. Kasi says, kaya balik ako ng balik sa pag-abot, yun yung parang mas maganda pag-usapan ngayon to contextualize things.
Okay.
Tanda mo dati, you've covered so many, di ba? Halimbawa, merong PayPal visit or whatever visit. Biglang people suddenly...
Aalisin sila.
Correct.
O kaya lalagyan ng bakod para matakpan.
So
diba?
what's new with this program? It's consistent, 24/7. May budget allocation siya. And hindi natin sila tinitignan na kailangan lang para sa pagbibisita, wala sila sa lansangan, kundi the social protection o yung protection sa pinakamahirap is extended to them. So, kaya ako balik ng balik doon, all our programs are institutionalized and backed up by a budget.
So you think Rose, kasi I remember you telling us, si Rose brought you actually to that
Dream.
botanical garden.
Yes.
Oo. And you thought that this was a good way of reaching out to those who, don't wanna go with you, di ba? Yung
Yes.
mga suspityoso
Correct.
sa tulong.
Ng gobyerno.
Oo. Confident ka ba na itong si Rose, siguro in a year or two, magiging model, example?
Ang goal namin kay Rose at sa lahat ng tinutulungan ng pag-abot program, ma-reintegrate back to the community. Pero hindi lang yung bibitawan mo ng walang positive change.
So ginagawa yan.
Yes, ginagawa
Kasi
yan.
dun medyo galit ang tao,
Holistic yan. May kondisyon.
Parang si Rose, yung Mang Pandoy, remember Mang
Yes.
Pandoy? Diba? Parang naging symbol. He was the one who asked questions during a presidential
Correct.
debate.
Correct.
Yeah.
So, kami, ang nangyari lang kay Rose, like you said, nag-viral kasi siya. She became the face of the clients of Pag-abot. But ulitin ko, and you can fact-check me on this because social media doesn't lie. The Pag-abot page has been up since 2023. We
Nung
post,
pumasok ka.
yes, at inutusan ako ng presidente to prioritize social protection for the poorest of the poor also. Success stories are there. Meron kaming kaso, wag na yung AITA kasi balik ako ng balik nun. Meron kaming case from Zamboanga, nagpapares sila. Yun ang hiningi nila and now they're quite successful.
Really?
Yeah.
Makakain nga doon saan?
Zamboanga.
Sa Zamboanga. So akala ko ba pang ano
No,
lang?
binabalik kasi
binalik
namin sila.
nyo sa probinsya.
Yes. Not everybody stays in Metro Manila. Based on the assessment, you bring them back to their community with the right economic grants and the positive change. Kung may mga issues, then the social worker will have to keep on monitoring with conditions.
Is this what you love about the job? What do you love about the job?
Building things.
Building
I guess as
things.
mayors, we like building things. And when I say building, it's not just the infrastructure, but the building of programs. Pag-abot started from
Pero
zero.
pag umalis ka dito and somebody new replaces you in the next admin,
Well, the-
Pag-abot may become
No, but the beauty with Pag-abot is it has a line item in the budget already. If you don't
Parang
continue,
4-piece,
yes, may
parang
pera
ganun.
na siya lagi doon. As
and you
proof,
think it's something that will last through
I think,
other administration.
I think,
Sana maging ganun eh. 'Di ba pag tuwing nag-iiba kasi ng administrasyon, nabago na naman.
well, it has an executive order. But again, says, it all boils down to the benefits eh. Pag nakikita ng taong bayan na nakakatulong to sa marami, then like 4-piece, they'll wanna keep it. Diba?
Sana, kasi may homeless rin sa ibang,
We're-
I'm sure Cebu, meron.
Sa metro areas. We're planning to expand it to Metro
Davao
Cebu.
siguro.
We're planning
Metro
to
Cebu.
expand it to Metro Cebu, then later on to the other metros. Actually, we're already drawing up the plans to expand it to Metro Cebu. Kasi we know that urban migration is happening very fast. So we have to respond fast also.
So you'll be working not with the governor but with the mayor of Cebu City.
Not just Cebu City, kasi Tri-City yan. May Mandaue City and Lapu-Lapu City and Talisay City.
Na hindi part ng province, pati Mandaue and Talisay.
Mandaue and Lapu-Lapu are highly urbanized and independent, if I'm not mistaken. But Talisay is part of the province.
Kasi the way I understand it, the new governor is, has been operating food.
Soup kitchen. We
Yes,
have one
yes,
also.
yes. So it would be good to work with her. Kasi
Actually,
yun ang
we're due to
background
see
niya.
each other soon.
Ay, really?
Yes.
Oh, good. Kahit na PDP laban siya.
Well,
kahit Duterte siya.
Again, the president's instruction is very simple. We run the programs regardless of who is in the local government unit to make sure that these programs get to those that need it the most.
Okay, kasi may criticism si VP Sara that she told a budget hearing in the Senate na hindi nyo daw yung mga supporter niya o rini-refer ng office niya ay hindi nyo tinutulungan. Is that true?
No, we reached out to her office. This was a budget hearing last year, I believe. We reached out to her office and coordinated with her constituent services. We didn't get the details, but we still, basta ako says, very simple. All our offices are open every day. And may referral o walang referral, pwede namin tutulungan namin. The social workers that does the assessment, they've seen many secretaries like me come and go. Pero sila, they're always a constant. And their profession and their mandate dictates that they help those that need it the most.
So, how about VP
Yeah,
Sara's?
so meaning, if it's referred to us blindly, our social workers will help them. We wrote one
so
of
what
the
happened?
directors. Hindi na kami nasagot.
So, parang wala
No, but
na.
I said this in the Senate hearing. There were a couple of times na napangrangalan pa nga kami ng OVP, the DSWD, not me, the DSWD, as a valued partner.
Okay.
So we tried to get confirmation kung ano yung details so that we can address it. Kung may pagkukulang man kami, we will address it. But kasi ako, day in and day out, all our regional offices, satellite offices are open for anyone.
Do you consult your brothers? There are now 4 of you, tama?
Well, 3 for now.
In public service. And, Senator, your brother, Win, was one of the 5 that voted against that returning of the impeachment complaint. Nag-usap ba kayo tungkol
Says
doon?
2 things. Since day one namin, even in local government, when I was congressman, he was mayor and vice versa, there's a China wall. We don't talk
Talaga?
about each other's jobs. Lalo na ngayon. Because the oversight of the executive department will be Congress and the Senate. So I don't think it's right for us to go into the details. If he wants to ask me questions, I think he can do it in the proper forum in the Senate. Diba? But yung,
But did you know what he was gonna vote?
no, the second part is
Okay.
kasi 2 things.
Okay.
I also don't want to make any political statements because I'm not supposed to do so. We just spoke about how our department is blind with politics. So I try not, I have my own personal opinions, but I'll keep it to myself.
Okay.
Wala akong karapatan magkomento sa bagay na politika.
Politika rin naman yung... Okay. O sige. Eto, political question. How early did you know, political ba to? Did you know that you were gonna be kept in the cabinet? Agad-agad ba?
No naman.
Na-reject yung...
No, alam mo, says better yet. Katulad ng sinabi ko sa'yo before, pabalik na rin ko na lang. Since day one ko dyan, nasa utak ko naman na well-ingrained that I can be fired any single day or I can be asked to resign any single day. I serve at the pleasure of the president. So, I just work like today's my last day.
Okay. How did he get you?
The story there is somehow, we've known each other.
In Congress?
Once
You're too young.
No. I started my political career quite early. I was in Congress by 28 years old. So, one term lang kami nag-abot, but we were not very particularly close. Hi, hello. Then, during the campaign, I would see him hi, hello also. But I think somehow my resume landed in his desk. And one of the anecdotes ko lagi, whenever we go around, he would always tell local government officials na, oh, mayor yan si Rex, so he would know how you guys feel. So I think he values the experience on the...
Babadang mayor.
Babada mayor.
Oo,
Yun nga
diba?
sasabihin ko, that's the trenches. So I've been through the trenches. So I think that's what he was looking for. Somebody who could understand local government and make national government programs work with local government programs.
So walang regrets leaving, your congressional seat?
None. When I was asked to join the cabinet, I said nga in a tweet that every politician's dream is to serve in a bigger capacity. Alam mo yun, nung mayor ako, I would always say, kasi mayor ako, syempre may mga kabinete noon na pupunta. Sabihin ko, pag ako naging kabinete, ganito gagawin ko. There's always that
Ngayon,
lingering
nandiyan
thought.
ka.
Exactly. So sabi ko, wala atang politiko na hindi nag-ambisyon to serve in a bigger role kasi you'd always think that your story in Valenzuela, you can somehow expand it.
Replicate
Like
it,
pag-abot. In Valenzuela, it's called Sagip. We had that when I was mayor. So sabi ko, let's expand it. It should be a mainstay. So kaya nung sinabi ng presidente yun, sabi ko, Mr. President, I just have the template for that.
So walang homeless sa Valenzuela?
Alam mo, Ses, you can go around today, kung meron ka man nakita, mamaya konti makita mo may social worker nang kumakausap. Again, I mentioned nga, the issues of families in street situation is an LGU concern more than a national concern. But alam ko rin, na sa isang katerbang inuutos sa mga mayor, hindi na nila kaya habulin.
Ang swerte naman ang tinutulungan nyo, kunyari, sa Makati.
No. Ang point ko lang, hindi na nila kaya habulin sa daming inuutos sa kanila. I've been there.
Okay.
Yung maya't maya may memo circular, do this, do that. So sabi ko, rather than just saying na trabaho mo yan, let's just work together.
Sige, but what's the downside naman of the job? What do you hate? Or what's ties your hands in doing more? I guess budget and
No,
politics.
budget naman is about
politics. What do you do?
Says,
Siyempre, hindi mo
budget
mapigilan nahihingi si
You know the best part?
politician 1, 2,
I have to
3.
remember I was also a mayor and a congressman. So like ko nga sinasabi that these are peers of mine and I can somehow level with them and pakiusapan na lang na, boss, wag naman ganun kasi kami naman maiipit dyan. So maybe speaking the same lingo helps. I come from that world. Nagkataon lang na nasa kabilang side ako ngayon. So the relationships built when I was mayor and congressman comes in very, very handy.
Okay. Secretary, let's go back to your, when you were growing up years, were you groomed by your father?
None.
No?
We're a business family.
No, the way I see it, and correct me if I'm wrong, or maybe it's my own conclusion, na, syempre, if you are a businessman with really big, he's the plastic king, right? Your
Used
dad.
to be.
Used to be. Okay, used to be. You need political power too.
Alam mo, Ses, ito totoo to. You can ask Sherwin when you get to see him.
Sorry, 5 minutes na lang o ano?
5 minutes na lang.
Sherwin ran because we just got tired of complaining. Nung nasa Valenzuela kami, nung bukas pa yung planta namin 20, 30 years ago, just to get the business permit, inaabot kami ng siyam-siyam. So, complain kami ng
Si
complain.
Sherwin ba ang pinakamatanda?
Yes, and he was the first to enter politics from business. So, sabi namin, bakit ba tayo complain ng complain? Di pumasok na lang tayo, ayusin natin, tignan nga natin.
Si Sherwin
kung maayos
nagsabi
natin.
niyan?
Kaming dalawa, nag-usap kami.
Hindi yung dad nyo.
No. My dad's a businessman.
Yeah, but I thought, well, you know, he was the best friend of ERAP,
That's
remember?
true. But,
So he had a front seat to politics.
also, but this was really driven by our desire na pagod na lang kami mag-complain.
O tapos?
Tapos, Sherwin ran.
Okay.
And then, dahil ako yung lagi niyang kasama, I took political science when I was younger, I just somehow gravitated towards that world.
So it wasn't planned at all.
Business was the plan for all of us.
Oh. Okay. So, Valenzuela is your bailiwick. Magpapapasok ba kayo ng ibang,
We don't own Valenzuela.
I'm saying bailiwick.
So,
Bailiwick.
tanong mo kung magpapapasok.
Oh, sige,
Ako,
sige.
you know, it's a democracy. We let people decide. Ako, I'm not there anymore. First time in 21 years, I didn't run for local office. I've been running
Oo
since I
nga.
was 28 years old.
Pero you still have, you plan on being a public servant pa and run for election in
I stopped
20.
planning long time ago. Kasi you can plan every single day, pero alam mo naman tong mundo na to, you can never expect. So ako, I stopped planning. One credo in life when I was mayor. Do your
Parang-
job, do it well.
Okay. Bakit kayong mga, puro bachelor ba kayo? Wala ba kayong...
Kami lang ni Sherwin na nauna sa politika, ang
Okay.
walang family. Kasi we've been running since. And I have to admit,
What, you're married to your jobs?
matakaw lang talaga sa oras, even local. And sabi ko, I may no longer be elected in Valenzuela, wala na ako. But syempre, the community rigors are still there. Syempre, pangit man pakinggan yung KBL. Alam ko, sasabihin mo, ako, ganun ka rin pala yung kasalbinyag. Ganun. That's our culture eh.
Yeah.
And I may no longer be their congressman or mayor, but I've made friends
Precisely why you need a partner.
there. Actually, mali nga yun eh. I think when they elect you, dapat ikaw eh. Hindi naman dapat yung pamilya mo eh. And when they ask you to stand as their godfather, that's a sign of respect.
So there's no one, no girlfriend?
Akin na lang yun, Ses.
Sorry, encroaching into personal, of course. Now, nako, na ano ako doon, nawindang ako na ayaw mong sagutin. Ibig sabihin, meron.
Matrabaho lang talaga.
2028, you say you're not planning, but Sherwin ba will graduate?
He will. It's his last term.
Okay. So you can.
Everybody can. Everybody may. I just stopped planning long time ago.
Ang dami ko pa sanang gustong tanungin. In closing, how hands-on is the president with his cabinet?
He's very hands-on. You would get a text message in the middle of the night and you would talk about questions that he wants answered right there and there. That's why nga you have to know the department that you're running in and out. And I don't think answering him na, I'll ask the USEC first, I don't think that's an option.
Pero hindi naman micromanager na.
No, but he sets the direction, then he follows it up.
Like this, getting people off the streets
Yes.
seems to be one of his priorities talaga.
Ang utos ng presidente, tulungan namang hindi matulungan ang kanilang mga sarili.
Mm.
So in my definition, that's helping those that can't help themselves na pinakamahirap like street dwellers.
Okay. In wrapping up kasi, hindi natin napag-usapan yung Nutriban, di ba?
Walang
Say-
gutom.
Wala. Yung, di ba Nutriban was like, it was one of the key things during the Marcos
I'm
Senior's
not sure,
time.
but that's
Hindi
in
kayo,
the
that's health.
DepEd.
Hindi
DepEd, I believe
kayo.
they use
Hindi
Nutriban.
kayo.
Kami yung feeding namin sa
Sige.
daycare centers namin, we give the money to the LGU, they procure fresh produce.
Kaya marami kayong meron kayong kailangan, may gulay, may fiber,
Yes, kasi eating right is what we need to push for.
And what is it called?
Yung supplemental feeding program. But what you're referring to is the Walang Gutom program. The program that we do naman to help food poor families. Make sure that they eat right and supplement their daily food intake.
I wanted to ask that in closing because stunting is really a
Correct.
serious problem in our country. Yung parang we
Bangka,
pride
bansot.
ourselves in having a youth, majority of our population are the youth, pero mga
The president-
kulang sa edukasyon, gutom, stunted.
That's why this is one of the President's primary initiatives. A third of our children are stunted. Secretary Angara, Secretary Herbos, and myself, we've been working on it in different life stages.
So the three of you
Yeah.
are...
Kami, bigyan na lang kita ng mabilis na sagot. We introduced a new grant sa 4Ps. It's called the First 1,000 Day Grant. So pag ikaw ay nagbubuntis or nagpapasuso or may anak ka na 0 to 1 to 2, you get an additional 350
A
to
month.
defray, the cost of going to a health center, the commute. Kasi we need to make sure that they go to the health center. Now, dun sa Walang Gutom program, remember, I told you about how we give food poor families supplemental 3,000 food credits. They go to a store that's accredited and buy the food groups that they need. Doon naman, yung mga pamilya na mahihirap at alam namin sila yung may mga anak na stunted, nadadagdagan yung kinakain pang araw-araw.
Okay. So we'll give you, I guess, your parting shot. Kausapin mo yung, siguro, kung kausapin mo yung taong bayan through me.
Sis, ako, thank you for sa mga nagbibigay ng mga question, rekomendasyon, sa mga nagkomento tungkol sa story ni Rose. Nagpapasalamat kami sa inyong lahat. Nagpapasalamat kami kasi
Kahit binatikos ka?
kahit na binatikos
Okay,
ako,
sige.
nagpapasalamat kami dahil binibigyan nyo kami ng inyong inputs na mahalaga para hubugin namin ang maayos na mga programa. At natutuwa kami kasi may interest sa mga programa namin. Bihira na pinapansin ang aming mga programa, pero ngayon binigyan nyo kami ng pagkakataon at oportunidad na maikwento sa inyo ang tagumpay ng pag-abot program at kung gaano karami na ang natulungan nito at plano pang tulungan.
Kailangan dito sa gobyerno, hindi ka balat sibuyas. No? When did you start developing that
When I
attitude?
ran for Congress when I was 28 years old. So, mapansin pa paano ko lagyan. Malalim yung sikmura ko to pain. Pero syempre ngayon iba kasi social media is changing the name of the game.
Totoo
Dati
ba? Hindi ka
nung-
madaling maapektuhan? What was the worst thing said about you?
Marami. marami, sis. But na-realize ko na pagpapatulan mo lahat, you won't get anything done.
Yeah. And if you think about it all the
Or
time, if you get
there was a
bogged down.
time nung bago ata akong mayor, and I was being compared to Sherwin, na-realize ko parang may 3 buwan, inuuwi ko yung komento ng tao, tapos hindi ako makatulog. So I was very miserable. Na-realize ko, wag mo damdamin, lalong-lalo wag mo iuwi. Kasi pag inuwi mo, the next day you'll just go back to work miserable again.
Yeah. So thank you so much. Yung bracelet mo, puka shells yan ano yan?
Ay, matagal na yan, may nagbigay.
So meron.
May nagbigay lang, may nagbigay. Luma-luma na yan.
Thank you
Thank
so
you, thank you,
much.
Ces. Thank you for having me.
Thank you. That was a nice
Yeah.
talk.
Yeah, it was a nice chat.
But what is it?
Matagal na to, may nagbigay lang. Shells nga, may nagbigay lang. Long time ago.
Kasi yung puka shells, wala nang makita eh.
Luma na to.
Oo nga.
Luma na to, sobra.